Hi everyone, good day and welcome back to my podcast. And in this world, some kids are fortunate. They wake up, they go to school, play with friends, and dream about their future. But there are also children whose lives look very different. And instead of holding pencils and notebooks, they hold brooms and laundry. And one of them was Smiley. She's a leading character of my book, and at a young age, she was abused. She was pulled out of school and sent to work in someone else's home, and every morning she woke up like early to cook, to clean, and of course took care of the kids because she was a nanny, and she should have been, learning, laughing, and simply being a child. But many nights she went to bed exhausted, and her hands are like were aching from work, and inside she felt invisible, like she didn't even have the right to dream. But Miley's story is not hers alone. There are so many girls like her, quietly suffering, unheard, and forgotten. And that's why it's important to share these stories, because when people know, they start to care. And when people care, change becomes possible. So there's also a reminder here about the gratitude that we should be thankful if we have a home, a family, and opportunities to grow. Let's not take those for granted. And more than that, let's use what we have to show kindness. Sometimes the smallest act of compassion can become like the biggest source of hope for someone else. So before this day ends, think about this. Like, what story could be hiding behind someone else? Someone's smile. It could be you, it could be me. And what little thing can you do today to lighten the load they carry? And anyway, that's it for today. And thank you for listening. And if you'd like to discover more stories like Miley's, the book Echoes of a Young Nanny is available now. Available now on Amazon and Google Play. And it's a voice for the voiceless. And remember this, that every child has a story and every story matters. Thank you for watching. And hopefully you like my video for today. And please don't forget to share, like, and follow for more discussion next time. Echoes of a Young Nanny available now at Amazon, and hopefully it will reach the Philippines soon. That's my dream. But anyway, bye everyone.